Oh, hello there. It's old Grego here. Now, I was just sitting here wondering what to have for lunch, and, well, last time I was on the Dominos website, I noticed that they've got a $10 value lunch. I thought I might try one of those. So let's suss out how to order one. Right.
Alright, so I'll go to the Domino's website, and here we go. 3 pizzas, 3 sides, $38. Gotta be kidding me, Don. Right, I don't want that. I'll go to the pickup though. I'll click in my pickup location, and up here it was scooting across. Oh, here it is. Any large pizza, garlic bread and drink, $10. Oh yeah. Gotta be up until 4 p.m. though. From $10, right, I'll add that to the order. Right. So now I need to come over here and add the pizza I want. Okay. Whoa, mate, look at this selection of pizzas. Well, there's got to be like 50,000 of them. I tell you what, this garlic prawn looks good. I think I'll select that one. Yippee-yi-yi. Oh, yeah, add that one to order. Yep. Sweet as. Oh, the garlic prawns. I saved $13.70, by the way, it says here. Sweet. Next. No, I don't want any of that stuff. Where's the checkout? Right. Okay, place order. Sweet as, bro. No, I don't want to save the payment details. Who knows how I'm going to pay next time.
Pay now. Sending my order. Right. Come on, order. Come on. Yes!
Well, my live Domino's pizza tracker is starting to track, so I better get in the car and head on down.
Let's go. Alrighty, well, here we go. The $10 value lunch from Domino's. Let's suss it out. So, of course, I got my can of Pepsi. Oh, it's got sugar in it, thank goodness. Now, here's the garlic bread. Wow, it looks like a full-sized one, too. Ripper. How do you get into these things? I don't think I've ever had a Domino's garlic bread. Oh, except for that time me and Don, we hooked up that time. Oh, wow. Gee, oh, that smells so good. But move over, garlic bread, because I really want to suss out this garlic prawn pizza. Ooh, my breath is going to smell nice today. Well, it has slid around a bit, but that's all right. But have a look at that. Man, look how many prawns is on it. Now, I think it's got the creme fraiche base and a ample amount of prawns. And I think it's got spinach there with, is that capsicum or tomato? Either way, it looks pretty tasty. Well, I think I might start off with some of this garlic bread. We'll see how garlicky it is. Hope it's got more garlic than that cheesy scroll. In fact, this will probably have more cheese than that cheesy scroll had. That's looking pretty good. Oh yeah, man. Heaps of butter, heaps of garlic, some nice parsley or something else that's in there that's green. I like this top part, that's nice. Nice and heaps of oozing butter. But this bottom part here, there's just too much crust. That's all right. The ibis are going to get that anyway. It's all about this pizza. Man, there is quite a lot of prawns on there too. Oh yeah. Let's go. See how garlicky this is. Well, that first bite into it, I sort of got like a lemony zest or something. But I can't really smell any garlic, and I couldn't really taste any garlic. But the pizza itself, well, It was a little bit bland. Not too much flavour, but these prawns seem to be cooked all right. And it does have quite a sprinkling of herbs over the top there too. The creme fraiche sauce. Well, I can hardly taste any of that. The toppings on it itself, well, it's just sort of bland tasting and, well, not too much flavour about it. But still, there's got to be $5 worth of prawns on this pizza easy, mate. There's heaps of prawns on it. Except for this piece. I sort of feel like this pizza's missing something, like, well, flavour, for starters. But maybe, I don't know, some Tabasco sauce or something. Probably I should have got the free chili sprinkles sprinkled over the top. Why weren't you here to help me, Scotty? I know he would have ordered those. And I probably should have, and I could have. In fact, I could have changed the garlic bread to something else too, I think. Anyway, I think I've had enough of this pizza now to know I'm giving this value meal out of 10. $10 for pizza, garlic bread and a drink, mate. If you're not filled up after this meal, mate, there's no hope for you. In fact, you could easily feed 2 people with this, and $5 each, mate. What a bargain. Flavour-wise, well, the garlic bread's great up to like there, and the rest of it, well, it's just all bread, isn't it? Still, it's nice and buttery and tastes good. The drink, well, I had a choice of drinks, actually. I could have got something else, but this is going to go real nice with the rum tonight. And this garlic prawn pizza, well, I can't taste any garlic in it. I can't taste that creme fraiche base. So I would have probably liked a little bit more of that. It was just sort of bland and a little bit like, it's all right, but it's nothing special. But for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for this $10 meal, I'm giving it. Well, I'd love to give it a 10 out of 10, but this pizza was just lacking in flavour, and so I think I'll settle for a 9 out of 10. Mate, what a great value meal, mate. Find me somewhere else where you can get a deal like that, and wow, I'll come around and share it with you. Now, I did get the garlic prawn pizza. Let me know down below what pizza you would have gotten. Anyway, that's all today. I'm going to sit here and, well, I'm at the park here. It's a beautiful day, so I might just watch the grass grow. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I review something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where today I got some Dominos pizza.
It came with garlic bread and a drink as well.